Look at this. Absolute tragedy. This blueberry bush is too successful, and now it's face planting into the dirt. How do we fix it? Option 1. The body system. Tie that weak, sagging branch to a stronger, emotionally stable branch that actually goes to the gym. Option 2. The tomato treatment. Hang it from a stick like it's a high-maintenance tomato. Sophisticated? Yes. But look at this absolute masterpiece of engineering. Option 3. The nature crotch. Find a Y-shaped stick and prop it up. It's free, it's fast, and it works perfectly until a clumsy squirrel ruins your life. Option 4. The pedestal. Prop them on a small plastic pot. Just make sure it doesn't collect water. Option 5. The Thanos Method. Snip or rip off some green berries. It hurts your soul, but the remaining berries get bigger and the branch might actually survive. Choose your favorite flavor of desperation, save the berries, and remember to actually prune this thing in late winter or early spring.